Hey guys, welcome back. Today's episode of Tip Tuesday, I'm going to be showing you how I make my iced chicory coffee. If you have not tried or heard of chicory coffee, let me tell you, it is amazing. There are many wonderful benefits such as gut health, digestive health, lowers blood sugar, full of antioxidants, and appetite control. Let me tell you, who doesn't want that, right? And many more. I will put all of that down in the description box. But today I just wanted to show you how I make my iced chicory coffee. It is kind of sort of like a Starbucks copycat, kind of, in a way, my way anyways. If you have a recipe, please drop that down in the comments. I would love to try your recipe as well. I'm mostly a hot coffee kind of girl, but it is dead summer. It's super hot outside, so I have been trying to make iced coffee a little bit more, been craving it a little bit more. So I wanted to show you how I have been doing that. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you next Tuesday. So let's get into it. Hi! Okay, so first I'm going to start off by putting caramel in my cup. You can put a little or a lot, whatever you like. Then I heated up 1 cup of water, just warm enough so everything dissolves perfectly. 2 teaspoons of the chicory coffee. I am using Farmasi, of course. Blend, blend, blend. I absolutely love this little frother. I got it from Amazon. I will try to link it down below. It mixes everything so smoothly. Now I'm just going to pour the ice into the cup and pour the coffee on top. It's best if you let your coffee kind of come to room temperature so it doesn't melt your ice, but I'm impatient. Then I add in 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. Just add sugar to taste, however much you want. Also, another quick tip, if you will add your sugar in before you pour it over the ice, it mixes so much better. Then I pour in my creamer. You can use cream of choice. I use about 1/4 of a cup, and then just mix it till it's a little frothy. Just keep mixing and you will see that it will almost double in size. That is when it's perfect. Almost there. See? Pour that in, and then we are going to put some whipped cream on top. And of course some more caramel, just to make it pretty. And you're all done. So if you try this recipe, please let me know in the comments, or if you have your own recipe, also drop those in the comments because I would love to try them. Other than that, see you later guys.